Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change or how to set the date and time in this device. Now the time is 2 p.m. So let me show you how to change the time. For this, go to settings, tap on additional settings, then tap on date and time. So to edit the date and time in this device, we need to deselect this one, set time automatically, and you can see the date and time is enabled for edit. Okay, now you can see the time is 2:01 Saturday 27 July. So let me show you how to change this one. So simply here I am going to change the time. Now you can see it's 2. So here I am going to change to 5 p.m. Now let me show you. Now you can see the time is also changed. You can see the date is Saturday 27 July. So let me change the date to 31st. Now you can see the date and time is changed in this device. So simply in this way you can change the date and time in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.